As a Nigerian, if you are starting YouTube with limited budget, then a lot of the equipment that big channels like Think Media recommend is not going to be good for you, because even a $50 microphone on Amazon is going to cost about 200,000 naira to get it here in Nigeria, including shipping and custom clearance. And that is why in this video, I'm going to share with you the most affordable YouTube equipment that you can get as a Nigerian based on what I get started with and what I am using right now to film this video. And when I started my first YouTube channel in 2019, the resources that I had at that time, I don't think I have the resources that you have now, especially with the improved cameras that we have on our mobile phones. But before we even get started to the equipment that you need in order to start YouTube in Nigeria, the most affordable ones, I am going to share with you one mistake that I made. When I decided to start my first YouTube channel, I started as a faceless channel. I was doing some mobile phone gameplays and uploading to YouTube. And up to a point where those type of videos were not working, I decided I want to show my face. I want to start showing my face and speaking in a microphone. And that is the big challenge. When I decided I want to show my face, I knew I needed a camera. And the mobile phone that I had at that time, it was a Techno mobile phone with a very bad camera. I can't see myself recording a video of myself with that kind of camera and uploading it to YouTube. So I thought I needed a camera. At that time, I just thought I needed a camera. I didn't even think of lighting. I didn't even think of a microphone. I just thought if I get a camera, I can just record myself with a camera and the built-in microphone of the camera. And the next thing I did, I just go to Jumia. I found one cheap camera on China, from China. I think I bought it at around 8,000 naira. I bought 8,000 naira camera on Jumia and they deliver it from China. And I was so stupid at the time. I thought as soon as they deliver that camera, I can just start the camera, just record my videos with a built-in microphone and upload it to YouTube. The camera came. I open it with excitement. I see I cannot start even recording until I get an SD card. I go out and bought an SD card. I attach it to the camera. I started recording. And the moment I turned it on and started recording, I was totally disappointed, because even though the mobile phone I had at the time, the Techno mobile phone, has a very bad camera, it turns out it has 100 times better camera, better video quality than the camera that I bought on Jumia. So that is one of the mistakes that I made that I'm going to warn you about. When you want to start buying equipment for your YouTube channel to start recording YouTube videos, don't go into Amazon, into Jumia, Konga, AliExpress and buy a camera or microphone that you don't even know the brand, that doesn't even have a brand name that you can recognize. Because most times if you buy this kind of cameras or microphone that you don't even know the brand name and you buy it way cheap than a normal camera, then you are going to be disappointed. And the first thing you are going to need when you want to start a YouTube channel is a camera if you want to show your face. If you want to show your face, then yes, you are going to need a camera. But a camera is not the only thing you are going to need. And that is why if you are starting a YouTube in Nigeria with limited budget, the best camera you can have is either an iPhone or a Samsung. A mobile phone is all you need. Either Samsung or iPhone. If you can afford one of these, that's all you need. Don't even start thinking about getting Sony, Nikon or Canon camera. Don't even start thinking about that if you are on a budget. You just need a good mobile phone. Right now I am recording this video that you are watching with iPhone 13. And that is why if you can afford to buy even iPhone 11, it can record a good quality video, just as good as this one probably. And same thing with Samsung. If you can afford like S22 or S22 Ultra, that's all you need to start recording good quality videos. And the next very important thing you are going to need is a light. You are going to need a source of light. This might depend on where you record your videos. If you are recording your videos outdoor, then you are not going to need a light. And if you are recording close to a window and you are recording in the middle of the day so there is enough light coming from the window, then your iPhone or your Samsung camera can catch enough light to record a good video for you. But if you want a professional video, it will be a good idea for you to get a ring light, which is what I found to be the most affordable source of light here in Nigeria. You can find a good ring light in any local market. There are many types of ring lights, from small to big one. You can just buy the one you can afford. The ring light I'm using right now is kind of a big one, and it has batteries. So I don't even need to connect it to electricity. I can just charge my batteries, and the batteries can last up to 1 hour. So I can just connect my batteries and start recording. And since I'm a virtual assistant, I have meetings with clients sometimes in the middle of the night. I can also use my ring light to do my meetings. So right now, if you have either an iPhone or Samsung, you have the camera you need, and you need to get a ring light if you don't have one. If you cannot afford a ring light, then you shall consider recording your videos close to a window where a natural light is going to come in. And if you can record outdoors, then you are not going to need a ring light. So this is entirely going to depend on the type of videos you are going to be making. And the next thing you are going to need is obviously a microphone if you want to record your voice. And when it comes to microphone, this is very important because people can forgive bad quality video, but people will not forgive a bad quality audio. Sometimes I turn on a video on YouTube and I put on my earpiece, I open another tab, I am doing some work on another tab, and I am listening to the video. So audio is way more important when it comes to YouTube video than video. You can record a blurry video, and if you have good quality, if the audio is good enough, people might even forgive the bad quality video. And so that is why you need an external microphone. If you are recording using your mobile phone, it is going to be far ahead. And if it is far ahead, then it is not going to pick up your voice as good as it should if you hold it close to your mouth. And the best option is to just get a lavalier microphone. You are on a budget, you don't even need to go to Amazon. Just go to your local market, find where they are selling microphones and this type of audio stuff, and find a lavalier microphone. The very first microphone I bought is a lavalier microphone. I just clip it to my shirt and I start recording. It's very easy to just connect it to your computer, stick it to your shirt, and start recording. The quality is obviously not going to be as good as something like this, but it's cheap. I think when I bought my lavalier microphone, I bought it at around 10 to 14,000 naira. And if you are just getting started on a budget, then we are just looking for something that can get the job done. And those are all the equipment that you need to start a YouTube channel in Nigeria. You just need a camera, and your mobile phone is going to do that. You need a light, a ring light is going to do that. You need a microphone, a lavalier microphone is going to do that. And if you are considering starting a faceless YouTube channel where you are not going to need a camera, you are not going to need a light, you are not even going to need a microphone, then you can watch this next video where I give a step-by-step guide on how to start a faceless YouTube channel as a complete beginner. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.